So today, ang agenda is mag-buy me og keyboard set for my work. And then, we're gonna eat something because I'm hungry. Dili na ako maantos if mag-transfer pa me to another place. So, might as well, dito na lang yapon mi sa mall mag-eat. And yesterday was our monthsary. Wala mi naka-eat out because naamig yapilan na event. So, karon na lang mi mag-eat out. Umarita siya, guys. See you later. Bye! By the way, nag-wear test ko sa akong new liquid blush. It's the Choo Choo Beauty liquid blush in the shade Ballet Pink or Pink Ballet. I'm not sure. Wear test ko if long-lasting siya on me. But yeah, this is how it looks like on my skin. So, mag-update ako later if kamusta na ang sitwasyon sa ako ang blush. So, bye! Change of plans. Mag-eat na lang sa may una. Igutom namin ko. So we're here at Out of Nowhere Kitchen.
Guys, what you would think? What you would think?
But wala siya yung mouse. It does not come with a mouse.
Parara magyapon sila, color lang nakalay. Pero pink na po, nana, kay pink ngayon nana. Good.
Where?
Masan yung pad? Guys, inani akong point of view siya guys, so. Diba? Dami bang gustong sabihin.
Guys, wala siya ikonta.
Asa. Guys, hirap na kayo ngayon ng parang 6 stages na like kulang. Ma'am, wait lang mama.
Guys, wala daw siya kwarta, pero palitan na yung tiniyag matcha nga McFlurry.
Inana, tiga kalab. 79 to ma'am, no? Tara, thank you.
Guys, nanguha na to siya kwarta, diri o. Nakita na niya. I'm getting my matcha McFlurry. Yay!
Tara. No! It's a baby.
Matcha McFlurry. Guys, mura niya mong ituyo diri sa McDo. Salamat sa libre, my love.
Okay.
Ganan gani?
Oo.
Ano na ko di ka ganan, ani? Namiyan kay ko sa matcha. Naay, uban na dito, nag-ingon na dito sila ganahan.
Al?
Ba't lamig gid siya? Actually guys, kubo ko gisipon, but lamig gagyaw matcha. Guys, I'm so dumb. Kay, nag-buy ko og mouse for my laptop. And karon na ko na realize it's not compatible for MacBook. Like katong USB na i-insert. Walay nga port. Like walay inato na port for MacBook. Wala ko na inform guys. Sorry, bobo kay ko. Okay, update for my wear test. I don't know if na-changes na inyong masti, but use ko flush mang yun. Update sa akong blush. It's still there. Nag-use mo sa git ko og setting spray. So, I don't know. It's still there. Good morning, everyone. Good morning.
In how you understand how, okay? Maganahan, your feelings should not intervene with your stuff. By the way, tomorrow ha, mag-expect ko mabukubak mo.
Bye, guys! Bye-bye! See you next week! And bye, Easy!
This is your show, this is your time.
Bye, everyone! Bye, guys!
Sige.
In a corner cafe, neath the hazy moon's light,
We met in a soft glow, the timing just right. Your laugh was a melody, smooth as a sigh. We spoke without speaking, just you and I. The piano played softly, a rhythm so sweet. With every note, our hearts found a beat. The barista knew secrets, the beans he would grind, pouring out stories, a blend of the mind. Cafe whispers and tales in the late evening's glow, where love has a flavor bittersweet like we know. Emotions are stirring in a lo-fi's embrace, in the heart of the city, in this quaint little place. The hiss of the steamer, the clink of the cups, we stirred in our dreams while sipping on loves. Your eyes told the future, the past gentle trace. Every look held a promise, a life's sweet embrace. A toast to the evening, to serendipity, to jazz and to lo-fi, to you and to me. As the city lights twinkled, each moment a prize, we danced in the silence.